Hi guys, in this video we're going to discuss about the basic networking concept. You know what is networking, right? Connecting one layer to other layer, one place to another place, one client to server. So this is what we do call it as networking. That means establishing a channel between the two layers so that whatever the message or whatever the content that we want to exchange between these two, we can do that. Okay, that is what basically we do call it as networking. That's a concept of networking. Okay, there are a lot of networking concepts starting from the socket that you see on the screen, and there is a library called Paramico, there is a library called Netmico. So basically socket is a layer which you usually associate, right, to have the connectivity between two things. Even in our homes, right, we do have a socket. What it does, it connects the electric supply with that of our gadgets. So socket works as a mediating for connecting two extensions. So one is electric supply and another one is your gadget, the electronic gadget. Same thing the socket library does in Python. It connects to end to connectivity. Either it can be server to server or client to server or client to client, whatever it is. But the basic understanding of a socket is that it connects the two things. Okay. So any connection that you see either WhatsApp or wherever you see the chat that happens, right? The basic functionality behind those chat is nothing but our socket. The socket is the reason why the connection is getting established. Okay, and how it establishes and what are the procedure that differ from one to another. But basically, socket is to establish the bridge between two layers to end two different extension. As simple as it. Okay, you would have seen something like Paramico, Netmico. So those are libraries for connecting to the server. We do associate a networking library called Paramico. Paramico is a connecting library that is used to connect an existing server. It's like connecting to the remote desktop. So I see people get confused with Socket and Paramico. So Paramico is basically a library to connect a server. You need to give the IP address, password of the server. It will get connect. But Socket is to establish the bridge between two things. Okay.